Hi. Let's try making such videos from a prompt. I suggest you watch the animation video first, I made before this. It will explain to you about Animate-Diff extension and frames per second. To get started, we need to download an extension named Prompt-Travel. Search for stable-diffusion-webui-prompt-travel. This gives us more control over animations, guided by specific prompt instructions for each frame by their frame time. Click on the search result from GitHub. I will share this in the description. Copy the link so we can install the extension in our web UI. As always, paste the link, then click Install. Check in Installed Extension list, then restart the UI. For the prompt, I had noted a prompt for the example. If you look closely, I have multiple line prompts, with few numbers at the beginning of the prompt. The number here simply means on which frame what image should be kept, and it will be further processed for transition between all the frames. I will keep the Animate-Diff motion model downloaded in the previous Animate video. Save format will be GIF and MP4, and enable the extension. Number of frames 64 at 8 FPS. This will give us a video of 8 seconds. Let's see the results. This turned out to be a good one. Imperfections can be corrected by working on the prompts. To save the video format, we can change from GIF output to another one, and clicking this download icon. For some reason, the video player is not working, but the output can be saved. I wrote this multi-line prompt one by one and generated if the results are near to my expectation. Disable the extension. Note that frame number should end with a colon, then after a space you can write the prompt. For now, I will remove and generate a single image to check if the prompt is correct. By mistake, I forgot to remove the seed ID. However, you have got the point about how to write this multi-line prompt one by one. After having all the prompts verified, we can paste all the lines with their frame numbers. Make sure to keep the number of frames greater than the frame number given in the prompt. We do have an upscaling method, which will increase the video resolution. Enable the extension and generate. Let's check the result. Download the video. Now, you know how to generate a quality video with the help of AI. In the next video, I will be showing how to use a control net and generate such video, having more control on the character. Subscribing and liking is a great motivation. Do consider doing so.